You chew 80% less than you should. That's starving your body. This simple chewing hack isn't just for digestion. The last benefit will shock you. First, chewing more unlocks nutrient absorption. Your body actually gets more goodness. Second, it signals fullness faster. You naturally eat less, without even trying. Third, better digestion means no more bloating or discomfort. Feel lighter immediately. Chewing 20 to 30 times per bite effortlessly supports weight loss. How many chews do you average? Subscribe for daily hacks. Stop starving your body.